My name is Will Enoch. I'm an interlocking pavement specialist for Intergroup, and today we're going to be performing a paver repair. We see an area of distress through here. It looks like it's been repaired before because the pattern is off. So that's why we got the question marks. We'll figure that out when we get here. One of the last places we'll take care of today. This is an area of distress. We have depressions. We got rutting. We got broken, some cracked pavers. Here's another area that we'll be taking care of today. And the reason why these areas have failed is because of two main reasons. One of them is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio, I explained that in a previous video, but the length of the biggest paver, the length divided by the thickness gives you what its aspect ratio is. In this case, this particular 12-inch paver and 2 3/8 inches thick, if you take the 12 divided by 2 3/8 inches, you're going to come up with an aspect ratio greater than 4:1. If it's greater than 4:1, it's a slab. It's not a paver. It won't be able to be seated down into the sand bed. It'll turn with the car's movement of the wheels, and it will rock. And that's what's going on here. Now, this particular paver, the length divided by its thickness has an aspect ratio below 4:1. And so does this one. This particular length, that's 8 inches divided by 2 3/8, give you an aspect ratio less than 4:1. Another reason why we have so much distress is because of the sand bed that was used. It's masonry sand. Never in an interlocking concrete pavement system is masonry sand used as bedding or between the joints. And so this is why we have so much distress. And we're going to pull up the sand. We're going to add a correct sand, a little bit bigger aggregate, and we're going to screed it out, and then we're going to install all the pavers back, and we're going to tamp the surface, and we're going to wrap this up. We'll check back with you later and give you an update.